Today I will share a very simple and a cost-effective way to make herbal capsules at home. I will be making turmeric capsules. Turmeric has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antibacterial and anti-cancerous properties. The capsule I will be using are vegan capsule made up of HPMC which is plant derived. The capsule size is 0 that can roughly contain about 500 mg of dried powder. Vegan capsules are a bit expensive compared to gelatin capsule, but still I prefer them. To know why, you can watch this short video. Now most people who make herbal capsules at home use these kind of refilling tools, which cost you a few bucks and can be helpful if you need to make hundreds or thousands of such capsules. But if you are looking for an inexpensive way for personal use like me, you can try this straw. Just remember the diameter of the straw should be lesser than the diameter of the capsule. You just have to make a slant cut, take the powder in it, and you are ready to transfer it to the capsule. This way, the powder does not stick to the outer surface of the capsule. You can press it gently using the straw to fill more powder. Once the capsule is full, you can apply the cap. I found this way to be very easy, very effective, and very simple and inexpensive. And I can make dozens of such capsules which are sufficient for me for at least a month. Another advantage of this method is that it improves my focus and keeps me calm. So that's all for today. I hope this video helps you. You can also check out my other videos on millets, prebiotics, probiotics and others in my nutrition and health playlist. And if such videos are helpful to you, you can subscribe Explore Bio.